Okay, Rob, to answer your question about the brake pads and the squealing and the lubricant that I used, I'd rather not do it on typing because I thought it'd be better to show you in person. So here we go. Okay, you mentioned using disc brake quiet, which is this stuff, exactly what you said, the orange CRC stuff. This is good to use, but when I talked to a bunch of shops, they said that if you use that, it could, if you don't let it dry in time, it could actually somewhat semi-glue the pad to the back of the piston, and that way the pad will move with the piston and it could gouge the rotor a lot. So what they told me to do is to use this brake grease that I got from Stay Lube, obviously, right there with the name, and this BG Stop Squeal. This actually goes on the pad itself, the pad face, and it's a graphite impregnated like fluid that soaks into the pad. And this goes on the back of the pad surface there, on the back there. I guess they call it the backing plate. And it's just regular old grease. You know, it's just grease. And I coated the back of the pad. Really, I mean, obviously you can't see it, but I coated the back of the pad with that very well, where the circles were, where the pistons were biting into the backing plate, and it has not squealed since. So disc brake quiet or synthetic grease, you make the call.